This year's matchup features 6 Central Illinois hunters competing against the wary male eastern turkey in Union County. And now, for your starting lineup for your Pinehills Hunt Club, standing just over 6 foot, the only man with more camo than Walmart, the 3-time father and founder of the Pinehills Hunt Club, Ed Wolf. His sidekick this year, standing a shade over 6'2", the every 7-year man and hunter supplying the beverages this year, Webb Wolf. The big man in the middle, standing a beanpole, 6'3", the hunter who is still not sure what a turkey looks like, and member of the JB preferred customer list, Craig Charlie Crump. The cameraman and this year's starting camp biatch, the man with more maps than Randall McNally, the birthday boy and Captain Morgan connoisseur, Gary Eichelberger. The superior caller, the man with more woodsmanship than Fred Bear, a turkey's worst nightmare in the woods, and the guy Will Primos asks for tips, Ronald Cisco Wolf. And from Bloomington, Illinois, the hunter with more gas than Exxon, man who invented the castrated rabbit-sounding hen call, from 505 who keeps the turkeys alive, the flatulent sampler in the Campler, the only hunter who can clear a bar in DeSoto with an SBD, Roger Bird Dog Wolf. Good luck, hunters, in the 2007 season.
In your time, the innocence will fall away. In your time, mission bells will toll. Oh, all along the corridors and riverbeds, there'll be signs. In your time, towering waves will crash across your southern cape. Massive storms reach your eastern shores. Fields of green will tumble through your summer
Yeah, I'm gonna
days.
eat some.
By design, in your time, feel the wind and set yourself the boulder course.
Yeah.
The National Wild Captain.
Keep your heart as open as a shrine. You'll sail the perfect line.
Beautiful. Nice shot.
There, you want to get that on film?
You guys want to give a toast to Uncle Willie? And Dad? What you got there? I've been on the phone for about an hour. Egg's been on the phone too. That's a beauty. Oh God, I got. Oh. Let's see that skin again. Give me the.
That's egg.
Is that he growing hemp over there? It
looks like it.
Right on out the door, and into the glade, and everybody promenade. Step right up, you're doing fine. I'll pull you, bid you for money. Get it, look at it before, break it up with a go.
That's a big hill, Cisco. That's the hill, isn't it? Right there.
Now into the brook and fish for the trout. Dive right in and splash about. Trout, trout, pretty little trout. One more splash and come right out. Shake like a hound dog, shake again while around the open.
It's Monday night, 2007. Good for a ride. Building the fire, gonna have a little chili. And the boys making the wood. Look at that. There's the woodsmanship. I just say wood.
I stepped out of Mississippi when I was 10 years old. With a suit cut sharp.
We don't know where it's just
He
went that way.
I had a guitar hanging just about waist
Let's
high.
go away for it.
And I'm gonna play this thing
Okay.
until the
I give your camera one of these. Are you rolling?
Give it a belly.
Tell the story.
There's 7 smokers in here, and 9 of you are smoking. Somebody open the door. I can't even see the table, and I'm a foot from it. The gov. Mud broke.
Congratulations, Ike Meister, 2007. The 0 is long. There's no longer. Got rid of the goose egg. What time did you get him? It is now 12:40, April 15th, 2007.
time rolls on.
About 10 after 11.
That's as it should be.
And I might just stay up until the cows come home first. Yeah, I'll sleep in.
And gone.
Is this bird dog coming? I think I'll probably sleep in until about 4:30, and I'll get up and make everybody get up. Put the honeycomb in the bowl for them.
There you go. I think you need to put a feather on everybody's pillow, though.
Yeah, we were laughing as we reached for the stars, and we had some for what it was worth. Those were
That is base
good
camp.
times.
Redbird won it 10-2.
The remaining amount of my fortune.
Yeah, get that on film, Roy.
2-10.
That's the winner.
Starts with the fundamentals.
You know the greatest thing, hey, Ike Meister, you know the greatest thing about being down here is you can't pick up a cupcake. Yeah.
Standing there in the corner, me, all the crazy things we used to do. So
There's
we
one.
was acting like a couple of kids.
2,
I started first.
3,
You know
4
that
piers on the knob.
I still feel it like the sun on my skin. Maybe that's better.
Who's making noise?
Cause these are
No dumb.
good times. Damn good times.
Red Bear.
constant sorrow through his days. I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days. Ernie, bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised, the place where he was born and raised. For 6 long years I've been in trouble. No pleasure here on earth I found. For in this world I'm bound to ramble. I have no friends to help me now. He has no friends to help him now.
Thunder in the Valley.
1150.
There they go.
Fighting.
In front of you again.
damn good times.
Oh, look at the deer.
So it's one for the money, but that don't make the show. No, no. Count to 3 and I'll be ready. Yeah, yeah. To follow that road. Yes, I will. I see it coming, yeah. This one is ours. We got heaven right here on earth. Ain't nothing like it when you're reaching for stars and you grab one for what it is worth. You can tell them we'll be having good times. Damn good times. I'm talking good times. Yes, sir. Damn good times.
I tell you what, I'm just glad we're not having to walk.
You know, I thought I hit it, but it must not have did it.
You put the parking lights on.
I tell you what, it was, you had half a wheel deep, and your your tailpipe was covered. Oh yeah, making a noise.
Just shaving
Shaving some metal in there. Yeah, where
There's a hard moon rising on the streets tonight. There's a reckless feeling in your heart as you
Right.
head out tonight.
right.
The concrete canyons to the midtown
I think I got it.
latest neon
You gotta pull up a few feet.
Still doing.
That's the old
Stay out of the way.
on the
Yeah.
darker streets. Unseen angry voices flashing, the children cry.
Sounds good.
Okay, we're good.
Your tires are clean.
Yeah, they look good now, don't they, Roy? Let's have another beer.
We all got cell phones and we all got no service.
Out on the town, safe in the crowd.
Watch this, watch this.
Searching the eyes. There's no way you can hide.
You want to hear Craig is saying?
The fire inside. Well, you've been to the clubs and the discos, where they pull one another from the bottom of the get-go.
I can give you the tree.
Where the cautious loners and emotional wrecks doing acting stretches away to
Where's
hide.
he gonna be?
Well, I watched he came this way, and then
And the lights go down and they dance real close. For one brief instant they pretend.
you guys.
See.
I'm trying to show you here. I don't have a map. Where's Rand McNally at?
I got it. Louder and the moon is low. The darkness scatters as the lights flash on. They hold one another just a little too long. And they move apart and then move on to the street, on to the next.
Nope.
Safe
Finally the
and
weather
out
got
to
good.
try.
Birds are starting to gobble.
Hide in the pain
That's what we were waiting.
Yep.
Makes it a little easier to get out of bed in the morning when you know you got them where you want them.
Yep. Craig, what do you got to say? This piece?
And cut.
It's butt cold out here, and I'm fresh out of here.
Hope while the rest of the boys fill their tag. Happy 2007. Oh, and 2 years ago, I wasn't here. But that might have been.
You're here now. How far out was he? Oh, no kidding.
I just was crazy.
Now the hour is late and he thinks
Great time.
you listen to him dress and you listen to him leave like you do. Hear his car pull away in the street, then you move to the door and you lock it when he's
Here, Craig. This for next year.
Find that.
Then you walk to the window and stare at the moon, riding high and lonesome through a starlit sky. And it comes to you how it all slips away. Youth and beauty are gone one day. No matter what you dream or feel or say, it ends in dust and disarray. Like wind on the plains, sand through the glass, waves rolling in with the tide. Dreams die hard and we watch them erode, but we cannot be denied.
It's Tuesday. There's Craig.
The fire inside.
There's Cisco.
Fire
And
inside.
a nice fire made by... Who made the fire?
Oh, fire inside.
And there's Ike cutting up Ernie.
Burning you up.
23 pounder. What'd you say? 10 and a half inch?
Fire inside.
2007. Give us a nice beauty. Here. Here. Yeah, a couple. We're the only ones in campground tonight. 2007. Cisco got into a bird this morning. Didn't work out, but he's going to charge him tomorrow. You want to say anything? Okay, we're going to go to Craig. Okay. Craig, you got anything to say?
Concept sucks.
Okay.
I love it when you play it like that.
Big shooter.
Come on, play.
Ralph, maybe I need to get me in check the chili yet.
I'm going to check that
Sitting
out.
here alone, I'm looking
All
back
right.
on where I've roamed and laughing how I
Pinehills
swore
campfire.
I'd win
Don't get
and
better
not
than this.
get burned. Left my family, left my home. I worked my fingers to the bone, and there was not a stone I did not leave unturned. And I was having a good time.